Howdy, howdy, everybody. How? Brian here, quantlabs.net. Today's the last day for your 12-month annual subscription, November 8th. Tomorrow, effective, it goes down to 4 months. So that's like a 3-time price increase between today and tomorrow, just so you know. Okay, let me transition to what I want to show you here. Now, what I am going to show you is pretty interesting. These are the coins that I'm finding right now that I'm testing that really can profit. I'd say the top 3 or 4, which is Bitcoin, OMG, Polkadot, and EOS. These other ones, not so much. Those are the coins I'd rather focus on because they're proving to be the most profitable out of the last 50 trades, and these can come and go. So that's that one trend I want to highlight. I've also highlighted this on my server. Again, these are the top performers. These are in the last one day alone. UME, UMA, LRC, CRO, WaveX, FLM. So a lot of these coins you probably never heard of, never can trade it. If you know about our switch over in the newsroom to better sources of news. These coins, unfortunately, I mean, you could probably get them on Coinbase. I don't really know, but these are small upcoming coins. But the one that really matters is this one LRC. This is one of those metaverse gaming coins I've talked about. But check out this. Shiba's now really dropped off, okay? People are getting killed on the selling side. That's the frat boys that jump on these meme coins. LRC is doing well. The other one is tradable, and that's in the last 7 days. So Zed Cash is up there, Compound is up there, Atom is up there, Mana for sure, but that's cooled off. And Shiba's now just barely hanging in there. That's on the weekly performance. These ones are the last month. Elon, Mana's done well, Sand has done well, Shiba's done okay. That's 30-day performance. So what happened a week ago, even yesterday, is no good. You want to make money today. So right now, the coins that are being talked about are the big ones. That is Polkadot, OMG. I'm doing well with those. Bitcoin's still number one, most profitable. This one, XLM, the Stellar, it can move, but it doesn't really excite me. Okay, so let's look at what I've set up right now. These are the ones. So I've got Ethereum. You can see it is up, let's say 4540 to 4700. That's again close to a 24-hour move. Sorry, almost a 10% move in 24 hours. Unreal. Same with Bitcoin here. Polkadot is all over the place. So right now I'm going to deactivate this because it's very choppy compared to the fresher round of coins. The only one I have, I believe, open right now is Ethereum. Yeah, so Ethereum's the only one. Polkadot has been trading, but I'm going to close this out for now. There's just better performers right now. So they include EOS. As I said, this coin can perform. When it does perform, can be profitable. So we've got that active. We've got another one that we haven't seen in a while is Chainlink, same pattern. Now again, when I switched over to the news room, different source, it was originally, a lot of it came through Google. I'm on a subscription service now, a private one, and it's much, much better. It includes the programming as well as quant stuff. It just is way better value. The only problem is I'm refreshing that much more, and I can also have it automatically do that. But right now, I want to do it manually because I like going through curating those articles myself instead of letting a script or an automation process do that. So we got Chainlink here. We've got Zed Cash. Zed Cash can be really dicey. Let me just see here. So here, Zed Cash. No, we're not seeing it. All these coins we haven't seen in a while. SNX, Algo, and Aave we haven't seen perform in the last week or so. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. Bitcoin Cash, it doesn't trade a lot, but this is a good move here. I should activate that. let's see here. We've got also Litecoin looks good. That's active. OMG, this is the best one. But what worries me with OMG are these steep declines. But when it runs up, it does really good. So if you're on top of that, that's good. Stellar's a little okay, and I'll update these more often. So again, I do put up these trading chart processes under my general room. Again, this is available at quantlabs.info, the chat server. So I'm going to be no longer doing this to all the free folks. But even if I did it, a lot of these will get closed down, as you saw I just did, and more will get closed down and added as the performance gets better. And I'm getting more aggressive. Now, the one thing I forgot to mention here is the $1 million question is how is the overall performance doing? As I said in my last video, I think it was yesterday, we are now doing extremely well. I think we're seeing a better performance compared to last year with this stuff. So the performance is much steeper, faster. So let me just show you the all-time. This is really important. I'm going to blow this sucker up. This is on CoinTrack. This is my account. Again, we started at $200, 274 there in November 2019, all the way up here to 7,000, almost 8,000 bucks. The Bitcoin drop happened again in May or earlier this year, cut it in half literally. So here is the good old Python, trying to get the execution orders happening in Python. And why I'm very happy to say I've switched over all my trading execution and changed all my processes here at October 10th. And I've changed it over to MotoWave, which you just saw, with a coin value of around 1900, and now it's at 4400. So it's done extremely well, and overall we're about 75% where we were back in April, May, with that big increase. Now, what's the difference going to be between these two? Quite simply, I'm going to take out half the profit and put it into an options trading account. I think that would be the smartest to open up a new style of trading. So I think there's going to be some commodities that will do quite well and some indices to watch. Move it over to interactive brokers. That will be a couple of months. I'm not sure yet, but I definitely want to take profit here and just cut it in half, because if I did that, we'd be, chart-wise, wouldn't make a difference, but then I would be trading in another asset class as well with those profits instead of having them disappear. Anyways, that's what's been going on. It's been really good. Now, I know, I've been mentioning this. Today's the last day, and I'm sticking to it. I've already extended it by 1 week last week. So here we are dealing with the Quant Analytics. Just so you know, go back to the shop, quantlabs.net/shop. This is the website. All these products are going to disappear. They're going to get rolled into any of these other memberships. So a bunch of them, all the free stuff is going to be gone. And this is what we're talking about right now. This is what's going to change as of tomorrow. So you see here, it's the annual equivalent 12 months. The price will be going up 3 times now to $9.97 for 4 months. So three time price increase as of tomorrow. Today's the last day. I've been harping on about it, and I'm gonna tell you, there's no exceptions anymore, because people want to see these charts, third-party charts. We got them. Here's the performance. We're performing as well. So you either jump on now, be smart, or miss out, and it don't bother me because we got the profit here. But everything's been built out quite nicely. I've given a tour video of the chat server here. Very, very helpful in many ways, especially with these stats here, them showing the most profitable in terms of trading with real live money, the overall performance here as well. So I'm going to stop that. Again, if you're not interested in the purchase, that's all fine and good. Go to Quant Labs /contact, okay, to get on our email list. And on top of that, we also, as I said, we have the chat server here at quantlabs.info. Other than that, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.